We'll guide you through how to add a voiceover on TikTok. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and let's do this. Voiceovers are a great way to go and add more to your TikTok video, so let's go and add them. The first thing we need to do is go and have a video though to go and add it to. So what I'm going to go and do is tap on the create button at the bottom like so, and your camera will then open, and I'm going to go and select just a 15-second video. You can choose the length. And then what you need to do is go and start recording just like this. I've now going to finish recording, so I'll let go. And what you can do is go and do more recording if you'd like as well. And once you're happy with what you've recorded, then just go to the bottom right and press on the tick like this. And here we are. And then what you can do is go over to the right where you've got that list of tools and go and press on the downwards arrow like this. And then as you can see, it then gives us all the titles or names of the tools. And we can then go and click on voice. Just like this. So what you can do at the top here is choose where you want to go and start the voiceover from. For me, I'll just do it right from the beginning. And then this sort of the lower part of the screen, you can then go and choose any filters you may want to go and apply to your voice. But if you're ready, then go and tap on record. And then what you need to do is go and hold the mic button here and you can go and start speaking. In this case, I want to go and remove the original sound. So I'll go and untick it in the bottom left. And then I'll go and hold the mic like this and you can now go and dub and voice over your video. Let go once you're happy with it. And of course you can then go and watch it back by pressing the play button, wait for it to end, and then you can go and watch it back. And if you're happy with it, then you can press done in the bottom right. And then what you can do is go and cancel it if you want, or if you're happy with it, go and tap on save. And it's now been added. And then what you can do is go and click on next in the bottom right, and you can then go and post a video to TikTok. I hope you found this useful. Bye.